What is up, my fellow peas? My name is the Golden Fury, and today, oh my god, I'm so wasted right now. Oh my gosh, this stupid video I found. Oh my gosh, it's hilarious. What? Oh gosh, wait, let me just. Oh gosh.
Pick up, Lieutenant. I hate YouTube like that. Oh god. Okay. It's me, Connor. It's just the way he was slapping him. Let me play the video again. Pick up, Lieutenant. I don't know how he's doing that. It's just hilarious. Oh god. Anyway, guys, that's all I wanted to that's all I wanted to show you right now. Oh gosh. That's all I wanted to show you. Oh my gosh. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this wonderful episode, definitely hit the like button because this video is stupid. Oh god, and subscribe, comment down below. If you guys want me to do a try not to laugh challenge, then I'll do it. I'll do it. We'll try not to laugh challenge for you guys that are out there. But I also want to say that my Powell video, like a few months ago, it has 113 views because of you guys out in this world. You guys helped me reach that 10 subscriber goal. I don't know if it's 11 or 10, but thank you. You guys have reached the 10 subscriber goal. So, and you guys have hit the 113 view goal. I completely forgot to say that. But I'm going to Indiana this summer, so I'll be doing a vlog. Yeah, I'll be doing a vlog there. Like one time, 2 times every week, and then at the first, last 3 days, I'll probably like do a little gaming video with my cousin, and hopefully my cousin will probably become a YouTuber and hopefully do some gaming videos with me. So I hope that'll be excited. That'll be exciting. So anyway, guys, thank you. Peace out, Dragon Riders. Oh god. Oof.